guys, welcome back to my channel. Look at the tutorial we got going on today. Y'all gonna see how I came from this to this. Okay, so I got the tutorial, y'all. This time I did something different. I didn't have no 30 developer. So I was like, okay, how is this gonna work? Because I normally do 2 rounds of 30 and then 2 rounds of 20. This time I did like 5 rounds of 20. The last round was like just the excess and I was waiting for my eyebrows because I forgot it. So I had to use all 20 developer, but it still worked. Like, look at it, y'all. So let me do a full 360 of the finished look. How cute. And yes, with the blue, you could check this out on my next video that I'll be uploading. So y'all, let's get into this tutorial, y'all, because bleaching hair ain't no joke. It's like, y'all, I'm talking about, my roots was growing in. First of all, I cut it off camera, by the way, too. So y'all, what y'all saw was after the cut, okay? I had to cut it because it was like taking up, it was just so thick and ugly. And the roots was really coming out. So I was like, okay, it's time for me to cut it and time for me to bleach it because I got to go to class next week because I can't go today or tomorrow because it's still ice and snow out here. So let's get into this tutorial because I'm excited because, y'all, I came from looking a mess to looking back to like what I am. Like, yes, I always feel myself when my hair is done, as you should. So let's get into this video. Okay, y'all, so I just got through cutting my hair off camera. This is what we got. And guess what? So I don't have any 30 developer. I only have 20 developers, so we're only using 20. I think I'm gonna just have to leave it on longer because I'm trying to get it bright and I really need my 30 because when I use 30 developer, it darkens it, it get my roots, which is gonna blonde it, but I just wanted to get it super bright. I get it 30 because it only goes so far. And then when I put 20 on it, it enhances that blonde to get it really like platinum. So we're gonna see if this do the same thing. It's gonna be a longer time limit, but I'm okay with that because I need to bleach my hair. Y'all, I have to do a full cut, so I don't know if y'all can see. That's like, I can't even pull it. That's how much I cut it. I needed this cut. I'm not myself when I don't have my hair done, and my hair needs to be done like last week. So I'm ready to bleach these roots, y'all. I got my, also, did y'all notice? I got gloves finally. Found a pair. I'm trying to face the light, y'all. Yeah, I found a pair the other day. I was like, yes, I need to do my hair and I need to stop killing my hands. So we're gonna go in. First thing you need, grease, so you don't burn your edges. You need an old towel and an old shirt. So you don't, a shirt you don't mind messing up because I get bleach on everything. So y'all saw from the beginning what this is about to look like. So let's just start. I'm gonna go in with my bleach, and this time I made it like this thick. Might make it a little bit thinner because I feel like it's like, oh no, that's good enough. It's a lot in here, so this really should do it all and more. If every time I have extra like bleach, I give it to my mom and I bleach her because she has sister locks. I bleach her hair for her, so I might do that if I got extra. But let's just start. I cannot believe how ashy my lips were. Girl, you did this tutorial and did not lick your lip once. Actually, I think I licked them out later because I was like, what the heck? Anyways, y'all, I was so ready to bleach this hair. Y'all know I be saying I look like a baby chick who was just born with this nappy hair like this. It's like, I like the blonde and black. It looked like a salt and pepper, but this was not salt and pepper. This was just dirt and rust, okay? I be needing my roots done, and I'm so happy to start this, y'all. It wasn't a long time, but you know what? I just suffered through it because it's worth it at the end. But I just used the brush this time because I need the bleach. Need to make sure I got gloves just in case I need to mix it. But I only needed the brush this time because without mixing it with my hand, because it's not like, it's really short, so I don't have to mix anything. This will do everything like itself. So I'm gonna let this sit for like 50 minutes, y'all. Maybe to like an hour. I'll see what it looks like, but I'm gonna let it sit first for 50 minutes. Okay, y'all, so I just got through washing it out. This is what we got the first round. I pray this stuff get brighter because I need the roots to, I gotta make sure I get my edges. We just want to jump right into the next round, y'all. So y'all, this is why I started to get worried a little bit because I thought it wasn't gonna brighten it up, but I was wrong. It's just that when my roots are black, it's like my hair is already a little bit blonde. That's just what it looks like. I just keep forgetting I don't have any 30. It's 20, so it's like doing it a little bit slower, but that's why I let this sit on for 50 minutes, and I want to also let this round sit on for 50 minutes too. I went longer because of the because I was like out of the 30 developer. Okay, y'all, so I just got to washing this out. This is what it looks like. I really hope I can get this brighter with just 20 developer. I'm gonna finish. I'm gonna put a little more developer in here because it's getting thick enough. But I really hope I can get it like bright. I'm just happy I got my roots like blonde, but it's dark blonde right now, and that's not what I want. So we're just gonna continue. Let's see if we can get it brighter, y'all. Also, I left this on for 50 minutes. It was really like 44 minutes because I watched it at the 6-minute mark. So 44 minutes I left this one on. So let's just start this. Make sure you put your grease on it again. I'm gonna thin this out a little bit more. So as y'all see, the color is brightening up. I'm surprised that it went this bright at first. I think this might be better than the 30. I think I'm gonna just start doing the 20 developer. And y'all, my light was messing up. I had to I was like, really, it's changing while I'm recording. But yeah, on to another round. This time I wanted to make sure I really get the edges because I was really like, I think the grease, it binds as a buffer, so it protects it. So I needed to make sure I got my edges on this part. Okay, y'all, so I just washed this out. This actually looked really good. I'm surprised it's looking as good because normally I do 30 and 20, but I only had the 20. So if I'm able to do this one more time and get it a little bit more brighter and it's as bright as I want it to be, which I can still put some more, I'll let y'all know if I do that. I will only start doing this because it looked like it turned quicker with only 20 developer and I was using 30 and 20. So I'm going to start. I already make sure you put your grease on your head every time. I'm also doing my eyebrows after this, y'all, because I always try to get the brows in. They are the roots. They grow out in your brows too. Your eyebrows grow out really quick. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to do that toward the end. But I do want to say something real quick. So somebody commented before, well, asked a question about the hair. They asked me if I do, and I told them this, but I'm gonna just say it. They asked if I did, I think she asked if I did the purple shampoo every time I wash my hair out. You only do it toward the end. So when you wash your hair with bleach, if you never use bleach, when you wash your hair, you wash it out with regular water and then just dry it, dry your hair. And then you bleach it again, depending on what you want. And then once you're done and you're satisfied, you do the purple shampoo. And when I do my purple shampoo, I only leave it on for no more than 5 minutes. I try to do 2 or 3 minutes, but I don't, because I think it tints your hair, I believe, or it it helps it, I don't mix it or something, I don't know, y'all. But that's what I do. I don't use purple shampoo every time I wash my hair out. That would defeat the purpose of the shampoo, because when you bleach your hair with regular conditioner, you do it at the end of everything. So make sure you got your hair done first, and then when you're satisfied, when you're good that you don't want to put no more bleach on your hair, that's when you'll put the purple shampoo on there, then conditioner it, and then you're good. So yeah, this is actually turning out really pretty. I think I'll be okay, and this is the nice color too. So I hope it get and y'all, I did let the other one sit on. I did 50 minutes every time, except for the 46, 50, 46, 50. It's been a long time, y'all, doing this hair, but I was worried since I was not doing 30 that it'll take longer. So my mom was like, you should try she told me to let it sit on longer, because she bleached her hair forever. So me and her have been bleaching our hair our whole life, y'all. So yeah, I let her sit on longer. So I'm gonna let this one sit on 35 minutes though, and then I'm gonna do my eyebrows and I'm gonna let those sit on. I'm gonna do them the last 10 minutes, and then they'll be good to go too. So then I'll look like I have no eyebrows when I come back, y'all. So I'll see you guys at the end. So I literally gotta wait 10 more minutes because I forgot to do my brows. So I washed it out. I was like, you know what? It looked good, but I can still see if I can get it brighter with these last 10 minutes. So I just put the rest of the bleach on here and did my brows. Make sure you do grease around your brows because you don't want the skin to burn. Treat it just like your edges, y'all. And the reason why I say 10 minutes because it'll turn everything, and you don't have to really do anything else. I arched them already the other day, so they should be good. If they're not, I can easily arch them again and pluck them. I don't pluck my brows, y'all. Arch them things. Make sure my microphone is on. Okay. So yeah, I look crazy, but it's gonna look like this in a minute anyway. So I'm gonna wash this out in 10 minutes. I'm gonna use my purple shampoo, like I said. Yes, I also use purple shampoo on my brows. It is hair still. I just put a little dab on them. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna do my brow on my hair. So it'll take no time, and I'm gonna let that purple shampoo sit on for 2 minutes, okay? And then I'm gonna wash it out, condition it, and I'll see you guys officially at the end. Okay, y'all, so this is what it looks like after I washed it. Here we go. For some reason, I swear I can never cut this down all the way because I don't. It's like when you wash your hair, you see how the cut look, and I really did not do a good job right here. But it's okay because when I put mousse on it, it all mashes up because I mix it all anyway. So this is the full thing. So I ended up doing. I did do a little bit more. Y'all saw when I did my eyebrows, I did more. Let me fix the camera. There we go. It looked good. Everything is good. So I think I'm going to just start doing 20 developer rather than 30. I might still do it because I kind of want it brighter. I just don't have I'm just using 20 developer. But it did its job. And my brows are going like they're supposed to be. Okay? I'm just saying. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got makeup to do and other stuff to do. So I will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.